Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we will shape a complex object step by step using the direct selection tool. Start by selecting the object you want to adjust. Once selected, pick the direct selection tool to active anchor points. Click on the first anchor and notice how the handles appear. Now gently drag one of the handles outward to stretch the curve. Next, pull the second handle downward to bring balance. Shift the next anchor point and repeat the process slowly. Continue guiding each curve until the form begins to flow smoothly. Now zoom in for closer refinement along the edges. Drag the side points slightly inward to sharpen the anchor. Adjust the top anchors for a softer rounded